Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kawasaki Z125 Pro. This minimoto just arrived with only 569 miles. Perfect showroom condition. It's got those really cool red wheels. Extra brake light. Come on by and make your minimoto dreams come true with this fuel-injected 125 4-speed. Price to sell at just $32.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.